Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. My name is Nadir and I am your chemistry teacher. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah. Today our discussion topic is summer vacation task of class pre-9th. This task consists of three sections. Section A contains multiple choice question. Section B contains short question and section C contains long question. First of all, I am going to discuss with you MCQs and how to attempt these MCQs on your given sheet. Student, mark the correct options that are given on your sheet. Now I will discuss with you section B that contains short question. The first question of this section is define molecular mass and formula mass. Give example. Molecular mass, the sum of atomic masses of all atoms present in one molecule. For example, molecular mass of water is 18 AMU. The chemical formula of water is H2O that contains hydrogen and oxygen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. The sum of these atomic masses is 18 AMU. The next one is formula mass, the sum of atomic masses of all atoms present in one formula unit. The formula mass of NaCl is 58.5 AMU. The atomic mass of Na is 23 and chlorine is 35.5. The sum of these atomic masses is 58.5 AMU. The next question is differentiate between molecular ion and free radical. Also write example of each. The answer of this question is molecular ion. When a molecule loses or gains electron, the resulting substance is called molecular ion. For example, when oxygen loses electron to form cation, when oxygen gains electron to form anion, when oxygen loses electron to form O2-1, that is cation, and when it forms anion, that is O2 plus 1. The next one is free radical. A free radical is an atom which has an unpaired electron and bears no electrical charge. For example, chloride radical. Ion has a charge while free radical has a no charge. The next question is differentiate between compound and mixture. Give example. The answer of this question is compound. When two or more elements held together chemically by fixed ratio of mass is called compound. For example, CO2 and NaCl. CO2 is covalent compound and NaCl is ionic compound. In CO2, the composition of carbon is 1 and oxygen is 2. So carbon and oxygen combine 1:2, the resulting substance is called compound. In ionic compound NaCl, the ratio of Na and Cl is 1:1. When Na and Cl combine by this ratio, the resulting substance is called compound. Mixture. Mixture is an impure substance that contains two or more pairs substances. For example, sugar dissolved in water. When we dissolve sugar in water, the resulting substance is called mixture. Mixture contains two substances, sugar and water. Sugar is pure and water is pure, but the mixture is impure. It contains two substances, water and sugar. The next question of this section is differentiate between cation and anion and how they produce cation. An atom or group of atoms having positive charge are called cation. For example, Na plus. Anion. An atom or group of atoms having negative charge called anion. For example, Cl minus. How they produce. When an atom loses electron to form cation and when an atom gains electron to form anion. For example, Na plus, sodium plus. Sodium has one electron in last shell. So sodium loses one electron to complete its octet to form Na plus. Chlorine has 7 electrons in outermost shell. Chlorine needed one electron to complete its octet. So chlorine gained one electron to form Cl negative. The next section is section C that contains long question. Define branches of chemistry. The first one is physical chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with laws and theories to understand the structure and changes of matter is called physical chemistry. This branch of chemistry deals with laws and theories that involve to understand the structure and changes of matter. The next one is organic chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with substance containing carbon is called organic chemistry. We can say this branch of chemistry deals with the organic compound. Organic compound are that compound that contain hydrocarbons. In organic chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the element and their compound except the organic compound is called inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals the compound except the hydrocarbon. The next one is biochemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with physical and chemical changes that occur in living organisms is called biochemistry. All the chemical reactions that occur in human beings or living organisms, and the branch that deals with these reactions is known as biochemistry. The next one is environmental chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with chemical and toxic substances that pollute the environment and their adverse effect on human beings is called environmental chemistry. That branch of chemistry deals the chemical toxic substance and all the substances that pollute the environment and have harmful effect on human being. Thank you student, wish you all the best.